There's a lot of food. Daming popcorn. Naka-jackpot na naman. Uy, tinatapon lang nila. Uy, walang basag, dear. For today's mini vlog, punong-puno na naman ng biyaya ang sasakyan ni Johannes andyan. 2 basurahan lang actually ang pinuntahan namin ngayong gabi at ito yung unang basurahan kanina. Kadami pa dito. May mga gatas. Uy, hala, ang daming popcorn. Hala, ka-jackpot na naman tayo ngayong gabi. At kahit si Kano, guys, tuwang-tuwa sa jackpot namin. Punong-puno din ang pangalawang basurahan. Uy, jackpot tayo dito. Hala, dear, look at that. Uy, tinatapon lang nila. Uy, walang basag, dear.
Still cold.
Ay, it's still cold. And then, hala ka, ang daming itlog. Guys, kadaming itlog. Tinatapon lang nila ang mga itlog, dear. Hala ka. Hala, dear, my beer.
Alright.
Hala, wow.
Jackpot.
Jackpot tayo. Hala ka, look at that.
Yeah, look at the cauliflower.
Hala, kadami nito. Pwede to ba? Hala, uy, ang dami. Ay, ang daming egg talaga, dear. Loaded of egg.
Eggs.
Dear, ang dami.
Bread.
Wow, my favorite. Uy, look at that favorite tomato. Okay, let's go. You bring this here.
There's no more beer.
Pagdating sa bahay, guys, ay dali-dali namin itong in-unload ni John. Actually, excited na talaga ako, guys, na makita kung ano yung mga jackpot natin ngayong gabi. Pero panigurado talaga na solve na ang ating siguro 1 week or 2 weeks na grocery sa dami ng mga nakuha natin ngayong gabi. Isa lang ang basag, tinatapon na nila lahat. Ganyan sila dito sa Amerika. Diba natin mga itlog, sobrang dami, walang basag. Guys, grabe ang mga kamatis. Napaka-fresh talaga. Wala ka talagang makita dito na problema sa kamatis na ito. Nagtataka ako sa mga gulay na tinapon, guys, kasi tinignan ko talaga ang fresh pa talaga. Minsan alam nyo, mas fresh pa yung mga gulay na tinapon sa basurahan kesa sa mga binibenta sa supermarket. Totoo yan, hindi ako nagbibiro sa inyo. Sunod ko namang binuksan, guys, itong pangalawang bag natin. Ayan, pag open ko maraming mga beef jerky, maraming mga popcorn, maraming mga chips, and yung iba ma-expire na siya today at yung iba naman, guys, ay next week at yung iba naman ay next month pa ma-expire. Kaya naman, makukonsume pa talaga natin to. Pwede pa talaga. This turkey is really a good one.
This is December.
No, November. December?
That's by December.
Hala, this one is December. Tignan nyo. Tinatapon nila December pa ma-expire. Grabe talaga magpaulan, guys, ng biyaya. Isa-isa ko nang hinugasan, guys, itong mga itlog. Tinignan ko kasi kung may mga basag. 3 tray ang nakuha ko ngayong gabi. Yung iba may 1 ang basag, yung iba may 2 ang basag, yung iba naman 3 ang basag. The other one, I think there's 4. I throw away the other one. But look, this one, guys, there's only 1 crack. And they're throwing everything away. Why? Because nobody will buy it. Nobody will buy it.
Nobody.
You can see, guys, that it's really still good because it's cold. Ay hala, do we have to put this in the ref there?
Yes.
Since it's already it's already in the refrigerator, sabi ni Jan, you have to put it back in the ref.
Yeah, they can stay refrigerated.
There's a science because it's already been refrigerated. That's right. You know what, guys? We really are amazed of the tomato that they're throwing. The egg is okay pa pero the tomato is really fresh. I don't know where they throw the tomato. Check the Google, please. Hala, isa lang din ang basag nito, guys. Ayan isa lang ang basag. Hala, kakadaming punong-puno ng itlog. Imagine niyo, ito yung na-save. Wow! Hala ka diha.
Jackpot.
Jackpot talaga. Okay, next tayo, tomato naman tayo. Hala dear, oy. Look at that tomato. It's really good. Oh,
Oh, I make tomato sauce.
hala oh. Hala ka, grabe. Ang gaganda pa talaga niya, guys. Oh.
This looks better than the ones I was trying to buy in the store today.
Yes, tell me about it, dear. Look. Guys, look at that. Wala ka talagang makita, dear. I don't see anything wrong. Why they're throwing it away? Who knows?
Amazing.
Who knows why we're throwing it away? You know what? Sometimes we show it to to our friends. Oh, look at that. Masabi nyo, dear, look at that.
Beautiful.
Masabi.
Very
Hala
beautiful.
ka, bakit nila ito tinapon, dear? Is there an expiration for tomato? I think unless it's already old.
Yeah.
Unless it's
Already
already...
get all wrinkly.
Hala ka, wala talaga ako. Ang dami kong kinuha because, ayan ko. Hala ka diha. Uy, hala ka, pretty talaga ng mga tomato na ito. Oh. Uy, ko. Napaka-pretty. Gagawa daw siya ng sauce out of it. So, tomato sauce tayo dyan, guys. I call it flour pala. This is really amazing, guys. A lot of chips, a lot of jerkies, a lot of beef jerky, November, December pa mag-expire. Napakatagal pa talaga niya mag-expire. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nila ito tinapon. But anyway, ito mga snacks natin ito, guys. Sobrang dami. Ayan. Ayan natin ito. Tatago natin ito kasi, alam mo, hindi na tayo bibili. 'Di ba? Naka-save tayo. Hindi na tayo bibili. Marami na tayong pwedeng snacks dito sa bahay. 'Di ba? Sus, kadami. Oh, ito na lang ang bibilhin mo. Hindi ka mabibili. 'Di ba? Sobrang dami talaga. Hindi ko ma-imagine kung bakit nila pinagtatapon ito. Pagkadami-dami talaga. Ayan. Hala ka diha. Uy. So, ayan from chips. Oh, October 23. Actually, pwede pa ito. October 23 eh.
That's a little expired.
Ha?
Oh,
Yeah,
I
today.
thought you meant October of 23.
No, 2020. October 20. Hala. Ayan, oh. Sus, grabe, ang dami. Hindi ako makapaniwala. October 28. Ayan, oh, October 28 pa nga yung iba. Sus, ginoo ko, eh. Ay, malang. Grabe. And that's it for our mini vlog, guys. Abangan ninyo ang mga susunod namin na dumpster diving adventure ni Johannes andyan. At tignan natin kung ano na naman ang mga jackpot na makikita natin sa susunod. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye!